Okay, this is Tuesday afternoon. Don't know what time it is. I'm guessing it's after 4 though, because our workers have gone home for the day. As you can see up here on the top, Mike and Lou and Tori and Will, and I don't know who else is helping them. We've got a lot of that closed in. Mike smashed a thumb. They're hanging off this thing like a bunch of crazy men, but hey, they got it done. They're still working on this far side here to the right. I can hear hammering going on. We're getting ready to close it down for the day. This is where that building used to be that Dan and Joy tore down. Dan Oskopinski and Joy tore down. Burned a lot of the wood there, a lot of the stuff, a lot of trash is being burnt right there right now. This is a pole that we put in. This is going to have a light on top of it tomorrow with power running to it. And there's a second pole on this side up there by the concrete blocks. It's also going to have a light, so we're going to have a lit compound basically on this side, so we don't have any incursions from the wall from the neighborhood. Come through here, these blocks are going to be making up our septic tank, or we're laying block, or they're laying block to build that septic tank. And as we come out here, you can see where the septic tank is at. There's wood, there's the hood. It's all good and good, I guess. I guess that's a store. And then up and down the street, you see all kinds of different things, homes and so forth. Doesn't look like too bad of an area. Back into here. These are the casitas. This is the work that's been done today. The rebar has been put up in each of the corners for the main supports. They've got block laid in 2 courses high with a concrete poured floor on the bottom. It's about a 12-foot hole, 12-foot deep hole, and they're going to continue to lay block in there tomorrow. Hopefully get this thing built out so that we can close it off. Moving towards the front of the church/school. Derek and I have pretty much finished up the plumbing runs from the 2 bathrooms, and we've got most of the floor done. Again, no change here, except for Scott doing wiring. Hey Scott, that looks heavy.
It is heavy. Ow! Fingers hurt. Oh.
Big roll of wire.
Good workout.
There we go. Okay, we've got the floor poured most of the way out. Going this way. As we come around to the bathroom. We've got the floor done in here. Over to where the 2 toilets are, stubbed up. And the sink. So we're ready to put in our toilets. Here that says The Vine 2011 in the concrete, thanks to Joy's graffiti. And today we have gotten the scratch coat for the plaster on the interior walls of the stage. Again, this is the stage poured. These are the interior walls. That took them a day to do. Don't know why, but I guess there's some reason for it. Working hard. I don't know. And these are all the wires that Scott's run in for the main. We'll have a box here, and this will be the main electrical room. Coming back out and around. Will, he's barefooting it. Oh, there's Raina. I thought I heard you talking to me. Where's what other one, dear?
The Vine 2011.
It's over there.
Can I walk over there?
As long as you don't walk on my pipes.
As long as what?
As long as you don't step on my pipes.
On your what?
Pipes.
No, of course not.
Right there in the corner.
Right over.
Right over there in the corner by that water bottle on the floor. That was a scratch coat that was put up, I think, yesterday. Looks pretty good. That took them most of the day too. Coming back here. Coming this way. This is the box that we have for our valves. We put a backflow preventer on here so that if there is any contamination in the water line, it doesn't come back into the pump. We've got a shutoff for the main 2-inch water line that we're running out. And again, we're going to run off of this line 2 more casitas, and it brings water to the church building as well. So pretty good day's work. I'm real pleased with this. That looks really good. The masons did that. And here is what it's all about. We're doing all this for these little ones who have either been abused or abandoned or just not got a real good lot in life. Here, life is pretty good for them. So hopefully we're going to help to make it just a little bit better. Will's about to get beat up by 3 little ones. That's what that is. Oh, they've armed themselves. And there's Mike being the boss with Lou, Bobby, and Jared. There's everybody else playing with the kids. Thanks, Jared.